Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your homie Ulises Herrera, and guys, we're gonna talk about what is going on with Dogecoin, guys. We're gonna lightly touch upon Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. I'm gonna tell you a few things you need to look out for if you're gonna become a successful trader on these Dogecoin trades, or if you're just interested in seeing what happens, guys. So let's get to it, guys. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's get to what I see coming, guys. So, as you guys know, we obviously had this channel that I found a couple of weeks back ago, which was able to basically give me correct predictions on the price actions on Dogecoin for the past couple of months. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, you saw that I predicted a 22-cent area fall. I also predicted the top of this channel right here around the 49 to 45 cent area, and then I also predicted, obviously my channels were dead on the 75 cent top area for Dogecoin, guys. So please go back to my last videos, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bells if you want to see some more of my opinions, guys. Once again, I'm not a professional, I'm not a financial analyst and a financial analyst, but guys, let's get to it. So do your own research as well. Please remember, do your own research, guys. This is just my personal opinion. So guys, so the MACD has been really seen some major red action for the past couple of weeks, guys. Since May 21st, really, I mean, I guess it's been only a couple of days, I guess about a week. We saw the MACD start to cross over, and when you see the MACD to start to cross over, you know you need to get out of your trade or severely take some profits, guys, or because you're falling into danger zone here. As you guys saw, I got out of my trade as well. I was up like 15,000 at one point, and I ended up taking around 10,000 in profit. I got stuck on the trade and lost like 5,000 because I was at my other business job, and I'm planning to obviously not do that anymore, so I don't lose profits whenever I can't get out of them because I can't get to my trades right away. So this MACD started to fall, guys, and now look, we're starting to curl up, guys. We're starting to curl up, which could mean the sign of some positive things to come, but we need to pay attention to what's going on. This channel has been respected right here, it's respected right there, and it looks like we're trying to respect it here, guys, which means we're either, when you have a falling wedge, guys, like we do here, that tends to be a positive thing in the long term, because either we're gonna fall and break out of here, guys. I would start to pay attention to Dogecoin around the 37 cent area, guys. 37 to 39 cent area. Please start paying attention if you want to get into a trade. I will be looking around for those numbers, 37 to 39 cent area, guys, to get into a trade. I'm not telling you when to go into a trade, I'm just telling you that's when you need to start paying attention. Or as you guys could see, we may be getting rejected here again. We may start to retrace to the 22 cent area, or we could see the 29 to 28 to 29 cent area again. But if we do break out, guys, I predict that at minimum we can get to the 49 cent area again, even as high as the 60 cent area on the most positive case scenario for Dogecoin. As you can see on the RSI, we are very low on the bottom. We're like on the 43. We're on the 43, guys, and from the 43 to the very top, which we have seen Dogecoin, it could be pretty high, guys. As you guys could see, let me show you. Here we are. So we are right here, guys, and then if we were to try to reach the top, that's a minimum of 100%, guys. We could literally double ourselves in 100% territory, because that's where we are right now. We're at the 33 cent area. If we were to double 100%, we could see ourselves coming up to the top of the wedge again. Wow, what a surprise, 104%, which is the 75 cent area, guys, right there. So, which is the top of the wedge. Could that happen? I'm not sure. Is there a possibility if we break out that we will see that top of the wedge? There's a slight possibility. But at minimum, we could see the 49 cent area again, even as high as 60 cent area, guys. Once again, do your own research, do your own due diligence, guys. But as you guys can see, one more thing I'm going to show you. Once we start to get on top of the the 20-day moving average, guys, 21-day moving average, that tends to be positive, guys. When you get on top of the 21-day moving average, you tend to have a little pump up, guys. Here it is. We have it here, right here, right here, 21, and then when we start to go below it, then it starts to get bearish. If we can get above the 21-day moving average, guys, the 38 to 39 cent area, that would be a good thing, and it probably would signal for people to maybe take a trade if they are experienced enough. All right, guys, let's get to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been a tease, just a tease, guys. It's just been a tease. Look, as you guys could see, the MACD as well, showing signs of it wants to break over again. Every time we break over, we have a little pump. As you guys could see, we broke over here, we had a pump here. We broke over right here on these ones, very small pumps, and we have them right here. We have another really big break right here, and then boom, we had a huge breakout right there. Look at that, huge, guys. This was what was it, a 72% breakout, guys, 72%. So we really need to start paying attention to the $42,500 range up to the $43,000 area, guys. That's when we will get back up to the 21-day moving average. If we can stay on top of the 21-day moving average, we could probably see Bitcoin going again all the way is maybe as high as 50,000 to about even as high as 60,000, guys. That's my personal prediction. Once again, I'm not a financial analyst, I'm not an expert. This is just one dude in his fucking garage, or I'm sorry, not his garage, in his room, his office, just making some predictions. So once again, guys, you really need to start paying attention to the 21-day moving average, because if you get on top of that, that could be a good thing, guys. But we have to wait for the confirmation. I almost got impatient the other day at 40,500, and I said, no, Ulysses, stick to your guns and wait out for the 42,500 plus area. And I'm glad I did, because we got shot down again, and we are now 38,100, which could be retouching the $3,700 area, guys. One thing, I gotta mention about Dogecoin. I need to go back for a quick second, guys. Dogecoin in the short term could have a pop, guys, but in the long term, guys, on the 1 week chart, it's not looking great, guys. I hate to say it. People are probably gonna get pissed off at me for saying it. I said it last time and it happened. Guys, the 1 week chart is just not looking good. We need to close these gaps right here, guys, because every time you get up really high in the charts, guys, you need to close those gaps, and we haven't done that, which is a concerning thing for me, because we haven't seen a close of the gap. And guys, you could see right here, I'm showing you right here, that whenever you get really high up in the MACD, you eventually need to close those gaps, guys. Where are you? Right here. See right here, guys, we were riding high, and then boom, we eventually closed those gaps right there. And then we started to trend down on the MACD, and then we saw some negative price action movement, obviously. So just a heads up, guys, in the long term, we could see a pretty big correction coming. Once again, just predictions, guys, because that's what happens. As you guys could see, whenever the MACD crosses over, it needs to touch, boom, you get some major red action, guys. And we are looking like that's gonna happen eventually, guys. It's inevitable. It needs to happen, guys. It's just normal for things to correct, and we haven't seen that just yet. As you could see, Dogecoin on the bottom on the MACD here, as I'm showing you, hasn't closed yet, and it still hasn't even seen red action movement on the bottom. So guys, that could be a possibility for the long term. Just keep that in mind. And once again, Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin has been a tease, and it can break out. We really need to pay attention to 42,500 plus 43,000, and we could see us going all the way up to even hopefully the $60,000 area, guys. Let's touch on Ethereum real quick. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, we really need to break the $2,900 area in order for us to be bullish on Ethereum again, guys. $2,900 area is right here, right above the 21-day moving average. As you guys could see, sorry guys, I have my microphone in front of my speaker on my computer. We are on the MACD looking like we are gonna be maybe launched for a breakout. I am worried because the volume is very low, the positive volume is very low, so this is making this breakout a little bit weak. But I really hope that we can start to see a positive movement, and even as high as 3,700, 3,600 to 3,800 if we do break out of these these channels, guys. Out of the 2,950 above, we'll see the 3,500 probably, most likely for sure, if we can break out of here, guys. So that's it for now, guys. Please keep your eyes peeled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, and you can always get out of the rat race too. I will see you on the next one.